Welcome to Career Campus Pro YouTube channel. My name is Kiran Baburaj. In this video, we will guide you to database operations. A database is an organized collection of structured data designed to store and manage information efficiently. Unlike spreadsheets, databases support multiple users accessing the data simultaneously while ensuring the data integrity. And the database enables lightning fast data retrieval even with millions of records. Let's start with creating a database. The command couldn't be simpler. As you can see, just type create database followed by the database name and a semicolon. In the example, we are creating a school database that could track students' courses and grades. While creating a database, professional database administrators use additional options for the precise control. You can specify the character encoding to support different languages, assign an owner responsible for the administration, use the templates to create pre-configured databases, and we can set the limits to prevent a server overload, and choose specific table spaces to optimize the physical storage locations. Let's move on to the commands for using the database. To switch to the new database in PostgreSQL, use the \c command followed by the database name. Verify the current database with the select statement, and to list all databases available with \l, and to view the database structure use \d. And the databases aren't static, they evolve with the application's need. So to rename a database, use the alter database command shown here. The syntax is alter database old name and rename to new name semicolon. Similarly, we can change the ownership to a different administrator, increase the connection limits, and or we can even move the database to a different table space for better performance optimization. Sometimes we need to drop a database. It means permanently removing it and all its data. The basic drop database command is straightforward. The syntax is drop database and the database name followed by the semicolon. And for safer operation, we use the if exists clause to prevent the errors. The database operations can be destructive, so always follow these safety measures. Always backup before major changes, and check for the active connections before the operations, and document all database modifications, and verify you have the proper permissions, and finally use the if exists clause to prevent unexpected errors.